Hi everyone! Today, we're going to learn how to shade using bleach. Learn how I create stunning bleach art. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to work from light to dark, add texture, and achieve a spontaneous feel. I'll also share tips on composition, color grading, and finishing touches. Whether you're a beginner or experienced artist, this video is for you. So grab your bleach and let's get creative. The materials you'll need: bleach gel, not liquid. Black fabric. Black fabric best shows the effect of bleach. Paintbrushes in various sizes. We'll learn how to create gradients and effects with bleach. Establish a light source. Start by determining the light source. I'm starting with the ground to leave enough space for the shadow and maintain it. Understanding bleach. The effect of bleach depends on the amount applied to the fabric. The more bleach you add, the lighter the fabric becomes. However, the effect doesn't appear immediately, making bleach a tricky material but with stunning results. Brush selection. Choose the brush size based on the area you're working on. It's important to use a variety of brush sizes because mistakes with bleach are difficult or impossible to fix. In this painting, the light source is on the right, so all the shadows fall to the left. Just like in a bleach drawing class, I work from light to dark. I've tweaked the textures a bit in this piece. For instance, I gave the wood a fabric-like feel around the composition. We're used to going over areas with the brush multiple times, but this time I worked more freely, just applying brush strokes in succession for a spontaneous effect. Normally, I start with the farthest element, like the glass bottle, then the apple, and finally the grapes. But when using bleach or white pastel on black paper, you have to start with the highlights and gradually move to the darker areas, as it often requires multiple layers. I'll go back to the ground and work the bleach into the fabric's pores, making it lighter than the background to create contrast. The glass bottle's shadows are very sharp. I had to paint the bottle before the shadow behind it because they're very close in color. I'll darken something at the end. Bleach art is more fun and artistic than instructional. The most important thing is to experiment a lot. It's how you gain experience. Try to protect your fabric from excessive bleach damage. When the brush is saturated with bleach, I work on the brightest areas, the right side. As the bleach decreases, I work on the darker areas, the left side. For the apple, I started with the lightest parts and moved to the darkest. For the grapes, I began with highlights. It's important to consider the gradation and depth of each element to create a cohesive painting. You should erase the outer outline of your drawing to see what's missing, but only when you're 100% sure you don't need it. This step is crucial for a polished finish. I added small dots to the apple for a more realistic look. During the finishing stage, I revisit all the highlights and let it dry to see the final result. When choosing a subject for a bleach painting, portrait, still life, or landscape, remember that the outcome will be monochromatic. So, pick an image with strong contrast for a better visual impact. Safety precautions. Wear a mask when using bleach or maintain a safe distance from the fumes, as bleach can be harmful to the respiratory system. Keep bleach out of reach of children. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Bye bye.